Don't just say your lines the same way over and over and over again, because it's going to get repetitive and they're going to become boring. If you try, your instincts are telling you to go this way, cool, go that way. And then immediately go the opposite way, because you're going to find something when you go the other way. So, with these 27 emotions, pick one and try it. See where it takes you. You may, going down that path, you may find that little golden nugget and you go, wow, I kind of like that. And maybe there's a little, beat in there that you can go, okay, this is my angry beat, or this is my, whatever you want to name the beat. But, look for those, that roller coaster ride. So it's not, the monologue's not one note, it's got all kinds of stuff. Okay, so explore it, stretch it out, try it every which way possible. Do it with an accent, try it. If my character were an animal, what animal is my character? It's a dog. No, maybe it's a cat. Because it's going to give you some new behavior. So explore that. You're going to go into an audition one day, you're going to do that, and the casting director says, okay, great, that was great. Okay, can you, the director's going to say, can you give me something else? Now, if you haven't rehearsed something else, guess what you're going to do? You're going to give them the same shit that you did the first time because you've never tried it another way. So I want you to try it other ways. So when that question comes, and that's like a curveball a director will throw at you, that you can hit it out of the park. You go, okay, and then you give them something completely else because you rehearsed something else. You tried it with an accent. You tried it in anger. Okay? So be ready to flip the script and go the other way with it. Because, that they will test you in that room if you get into a director's meeting. Oh, that was great. Love you, try. Okay, give me something else. I've heard that so many times. So be ready for something else. Go, commit 100% to the character. Don't half-ass it.
Since your topic list, if you do it, never fight no double shift. If you don't, shut up, homie's not a friend.
So much life left! So much life left! You're gonna come back around. So, not now, not tonight. You're waiting for yourself. You can't go through this. What is happening? Fuck you, okay? Nothing but a coward!
You've done this before, right? You've enjoyed yourself before, right?
Why don't you just go out there tonight and enjoy it?
This is supposed to be fun, Sal. Do you remember the word fun? What is out there that you are so afraid of?
Get over it! They love you!
What are you gonna do now? You gonna cry about it? Are you gonna cry? Oh no, you're scared.
I can't believe that you want to move back to the city when we discussed that was the reason we moved out of the city, because we didn't want to raise the kids here.
No, look, this is the center of the universe, all right? I mean, if I lived in Roman times, I would live in Rome, and America is the 21st century Roman Empire, and New York City is Rome itself. John Lennon said that.
Jack!
Well, okay, I'm getting a kind of a funky tension here, so you know what? We don't have to live in this apartment, okay? I don't need all this. I'll commute, okay? I
In
will.
traffic? It's an hour each way.